Got a blank page in Word that won't go away, no matter how many times you press delete? Let's just fix it right now. This issue is usually caused by a hidden section break that forces Word to create a new page even if it looks empty. Click the Home tab, then click the Pilcrow symbol or paragraph mark to show all hidden formatting marks. Now, here's the trick. The section break isn't always on the blank page itself. It's often hiding at the bottom of the page before the blank page. So, scroll up and check there. Click right before the section break and hit delete. Blank page gone. Heads up. Deleting a section break may change page layout like margins, header, or orientation, so review the document afterward. And that's it. Subscribe, like, and share for more tech tips.